Welcome to Building Material and Construction class by Sigma College of Architecture. In today's session, we'll be looking at paints, different types of paints and their uses. So, paint. Paint is a material applied as a liquid and dried by some chemical process to a thin solid layer. Paint comes in varieties of colors. We mainly apply paint for decoration and protection of the building from exterior forces or weathering forces, or to identify our building, or to stand distinct or to stand out from the other building. So we'll see about need for painting in a construction. So painting is necessary for following reasons. So painting will protect the surface from adverse impact of atmospheric actions like weathers, heavy rain or heavy sun. So it also can be help us to keep the surface clean and safe. It also gives an attractive appearance when it is applied on a surface. Composition of a paint. Paint has color pigment, some solvent and some adhesive agent to stick the color to the wall surface. Paint or whitewash. Whitewash or lime wash is a pure slaked lime in water. So lime which is mixed with water. So to apply lime or to apply whitewash, so proper protection has to be done to our eyes and nose. Whitewash or lime wash can be done using a normal brush. Next, we'll look at aluminium paints. Aluminium paints are made by mixing finely ground aluminium with some spirit or oil varnishes. This type of paint is used for painting woodworks, metallic surface. The layer of paint is hardened by evaporation of spirit or oil. Aluminium paint are water resistant and it also has resistance against electricity, corrosion and weathering. It can be also visible in the dark. This is one of the available aluminium paint in the market. So to apply aluminium paints, proper protection has to be done to the entire body. Some mask has to be worn, for face protection has to be done. Even for hands you have to wear some gloves. Next is asbestos paint. Asbestos paint is a special purpose paint which is made of fibrous asbestos. It is used for preventing the surface from acid, gases and steam. Anti-corrosive paint. Anti-corrosive paint are used to resist corrosion. This type of paint is widely used for metal surfaces like pipe or external structures which may allow to corrosive nature. The pigment used in anti-corrosive paints are chromium oxide or lead or zinc chrome. So this is like how aluminium paints are applied. So you can use any roller to apply the aluminium paints. Next is bituminous paint. So bituminous paints are obtained by dissolving tar or asphalt in petroleum or white spirit. So that's why this bituminous paints looks in a black color. This provides black appearance to the surface. Bituminous paint are used for metal surfaces which is used under water condition, or like these kind of heavy iron pipes which is used to carry water. Cement based paint. Cement based paint consists of cement as a base material. These paint contain cement, accelerator, pigment and other additives as well. These paint are available in powder format. Mostly it comes in these kind of bags. By mixing water to the powder, it can be applied to the required surface. Cement based paint is a waterproof and can be applied for internal as well as external use. Next is emulsion paint. Emulsion paint have good alkali resistant properties. Emulsion is an oil based paint. It dries quickly and it can be washed with water. Emulsion paint can be used for all masonry works. The application of emulsion paint can be carried out using any brush or spray. So this is something the difference between emulsion and distemper. So these two are something available in the market. Emulsion will have a very fine finish look, while distemper will have a little matte finish. Enamel paint. The main constituent of enamel paints are metallic oxide, petroleum spirit, oil and resinous matter. Enamel paint dries very slowly, but after drying it forms a very hard, impervious and smooth layer. This layer cannot be affected by acid, alkalis, gas, fumes or water. Different colored enamel paints are available in the market. They are widely used for painting doors, windows, stairs, decks, etc. So this is one of the available enamel paint in the market. Next is silicate paint. Silicate paint are inorganic zinc rich paint that have high content of zinc in them and are non-flammable. Paints are considered to be environment friendly, durable and weather resistant. Before applying silicate paint, walls should be kept wet. Thank you.